How to make over $1,000 for selling Canva templates for free. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell book covers on Canva for free and make a lot of money. So we all know Fiverr is a freelancers that they sell their services there. As you can see, this is the book cover service, the design. This one is selling the book covers for over $200. Imagine that he just sold 100 of these. So if we go to and we calculate this number, he's making over 10,000. I'm sure he's making over $10,000 a month. If you want to start making like him, just go to Canva and go to the home page and click here on this plus button and search for book cover right here and click on it and wait a few seconds. It will take you to the page where you will find templates that you can sold for over $100. As you can see, here is the good professional templates that you can sold. Just click on them and edit as you want from here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.